Buzzy enjoys a sunny day, stacking colorful leaves into a tiny pile. Buzzy, perfect. My leaf castle is ready. Suddenly, whoosh! A big gust of wind blows the leaves away. Buzzy, surprised. Hey, my castle! Buzzy runs after the flying leaves, laughing and trying to catch them. He grabs one, then another, but the wind keeps playing tricks. Buzzy, you silly wind, come back with my leaves. He giggles as a leaf sticks to his nose. A gentle, glowing swirl of air appears. It's Breezy, the friendly wind spirit. Breezy, soft voice. Hi, Buzzy. I didn't mean to ruin your castle. I just love to play. Buzzy, smiling. That's okay, Breezy. Let's build something together. They gather the leaves, and Breezy helps by swirling them into a spinning leaf crown. Buzzy wears the leaf crown proudly. The wind dances around him, creating a colorful whirlwind of laughter. Buzzy, see? When we share and play together, everyone wins, morale. Even a windy day can be wonderful, if you make it fun.